Assalamu alaikum to everyone. As you know, we are having the grade 5 English and it's Gateway Public School English. The page number is 9 and unit number 1 is Friends. Now we are going to do the activity E, speaking, and it's my most favorite part. And in these two skills, listening and speaking, as you know, every language has four skills: listening, to skill, listening even they don't listen their teachers attentively, and speak when they don't listen their teachers attentively or with full focus or attention, how they can speak. For good speaking, for fluently speaking, we must be good at listening. If you are a good speaker, if you are a good listener, then you are a good speaker. So listening and speaking, if you are focusing on listening, then your speaking can be good. What? Read this and practice. Ali, we are having two characters. This is the dialogue. Ali and Asim. Ali or Asim are going to have a discussion. Assalamu alaikum Asim, how are you? Asim, walaikum assalam. I'm fine. Thanks. Nice to see you. Here for a morning walk. Asim, that's nice. A morning walk is a good for our health. Ali, you are absolutely right. Let's walk together. Here, what you have to do, you can also do the speaking practice, listening and speaking practice. You can choose your own dialogue, you can discuss your own topic. So, they have work or they have assigned a task. Work in pairs means you can work in two forms or four and four forms, and introduce yourselves. Share some sentences about your family with each other. If you are unable to speak, be confident. Try it. No one can be a loser. Everyone can do everything. Just it depends you are and how willing you are. If you are willing to listen, then you are willing to speak. Have enjoyed this listening and speaking activity E on page number 9. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video as much as you can. Allah Hafiz.